Now we have here a question on waves, as you can see. Just a simple interpretation. So from here to here is what we call the amplitude. That is always the maximum displacement of a particle from a mean position. For example, if you displace a particle, that maximum displacement from a mean position is what we call the amplitude. Then we are going to see what we call the wavelength. The wavelength is distance between two successive crests. And as you can see, for example, here, from this point to this point, this one is what we call the lambda. So I'll come and write here, this one is the lambda. Or I can say from here to here. So the first question they have asked you, they have tell you, given that the speed of the wave is 10 meters per second, with reference to this wave motion, determine the wavelength. So the wavelength is always the distance between two successive crests or two successive troughs. And this one is crest. So we shall come here from here to here. And then we write, so here we wavelength here too, which is lambda. Lambda is always equal to from here 20 to here 60. So 60 minus 20, it gives you 40. Always write the SI unit. As you can see here, the SI unit is meters. So I'll come here and write what you call the meters. The second question, they have told you to find what you call the amplitude. As you can see, the amplitude here is the distance, the maximum displacement of a particle from a mean position. And remember, there's a difference between displacement and distance, whereby displacement is a vector quantity, while distance is what we call the scalar quantity, because the displacement has a magnitude and direction, but distance has only what we call the magnitude. Now here amplitude should be 5. You come from here to here, then you read here. So our amplitude is 5, but what is the SI unit is meters, like that. The second question, they have told you to find what you call the frequency. The frequency you have told by the wave has a speed of 10 meters per second. So you come here and say C is equal to lambda f, whereby velocity is equal to lambda multiplied by f. So I'll come here and say 10 meters per second is equal to 40 meters multiplied by f. This 40 meters is always our amplitude, which you got from that. This means that f is, I'll take 10 divided by 40. So it will be 1 over 4. But in physics, always remember, you don't give your answer in what you call the fraction. So 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4, I get 0.25. So here my answer is 0.25. I can write cycles as the IC units, cycles per second, or we can say 0.25 hertz, like that. Now the last one, period t is equal to 1 over f, which is 1 over 0.25. Remember, our f is 0.25. So here our answer will become